went to UST 7 or 6 months ago. I started in Manila UST and then transferred to Kuala Lumpur UST. I feel great. I learned a lot of things, especially being a servant leader. And then there's a lot of like learnings or frameworks that I can use in my workplace. So yep, it's a very great opportunity that I've been here in the servant leadership. One is being a servant leader is not just to being a leader, but to lead or to lead something, but to be a servant to other people also. So I learned how to lower myself down and then to think other people's goal and to help them reach their goal also. And then I think one big word in this servant leadership is that influence has a really powerful tool to being a servant leader. So first, I will be more people-centric, like to know the emotion of my colleagues, something like that, and then to be more approachable with them. Maybe if they have problems, I will approach them, and then to be more mindful of their emotions. Like if they have problems, I will reach them, and then if there any help I can help them, then I will help them. And then if they have certain goals or might be technical or personal, I can also be an assistant for them to help them. It's actually a great learning experience for me. And then I'm actually thankful for UST for hosting this servant leadership. I think it should be more propagated to other colleagues also, so that they can have this servant leadership training to learn something new and then to apply them into their daily lives also.